Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel Lesson Plan Corner. So today in this video we will see lesson plan on the topic sense organs. You can see here. Okay, so today we are going to basically see the lesson plan on this topic. Here you can see previous knowledge. So for students are aware of different part of body of human body. Okay. Here you can see general aim, so to let them know various senses of body like eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. To let them know various characteristics of all these 5 sense organs that we have. Okay, so we have to write like this. Okay, now here you can see for specific objectives to enable them to understand 5 senses of human body. And their function to enable them to understand various facts about it. For teaching aids, model chart, whatever teaching aid we are going to use, we have to write. Here you can see overall look, you can see here. Now let's turn the page and you can see here question that we have to ask to student. First, teacher has to show orange to student and have to ask which fruit is this. Then student will answer it is an orange. Okay. After that, we have to ask which sense organs do you use to recognize it? Eyes or nose? Then student will answer, we use eyes. Third question, you can see test it and tell us how does it taste. Student will answer, it is sour and sweet. Which one sense organ do you use to test it? Tongue or ear? Student will answer, I use tongue. Last question would be, do you know what is sense organs and how many sense organs are there? It would be problematic because this is for class 1, so student will not be able to answer this. Here you can see 2 rows previous knowledge. This is objective sense specification. Okay, to check previous knowledge, to check attention and to link past experience with the present knowledge. Now here you can see statement of aim. So for after that we have to announce our topic. We have to say, so student, I am going to teach you topic sense organs. Okay, and as well as we have to write it on Blackboard also. And this is our overall look of our lesson plan, you can see. Now let's see presentation part. Presentation 1 here you can see. So this is, we have to teach all the 5 sense organs to the student. This is the question related to that we have to ask to students. How many sense organs are there? Can you name all senses? What is function of eyes? What is function of nose? Here is the expected answer that we basically expect from students. You can see here. Okay, this is the Blackboard work. So Blackboard work, you can see we can draw a diagram of eyes and everything, you can see here. Here after explaining, we have to also use some chart to once again explain. And here you can see for teaching it chart, and here you can see knowledge. So this is objectives and specifications. Now here you can see presentation 2. So this is we have to once again explain about all those things. Here question related to that, first question, second question, you can see. This is the expected answer that we basically expect from students. Okay. Now here is the Blackboard work. You can see this Blackboard work that we have to important thing on Blackboard. This is the overall look of our lesson plan, you can see here. Now let's turn the page and let's see the rest part of presentation 2. You can see here I have drawn diagram also for skin, you can see, and we have to tell them about skin. Now this is the question related to that, what is function of skin, and fill in the blanks, you can see here. Okay, and like this we have to ask, and this is the expected answer that we expect from students. This is Blackboard work, you can see here we have to explain about nose and tongue and ear, everything. Recapitulation part. So here you can see how many sense organs are there, which organs is used to smell, what is function of ears, what is function of tongue, and this is the expected answer that we expect from students. Okay, and this is the overall look of our lesson plan, you can see. This is third page. Now this is the last page, application and evaluation. So for that we have to give fill in the blanks to students. As you can see here, I have added here 5 questions, 1, 2, 3. We here with our dash, the skin on our dash is the thinnest. And home assignments for perfection of their knowledge, we have to give home assignment to students. Okay, so this was my lesson plan on the topic sense organs. And I hope you like this video, and if you do like video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, because on my channel you will get related video as well as PDF also. If you need the PDF, then please do comment in the comment section below. Okay, so this was my lesson plan. We will meet in next video with another related topic. Till then, bye bye.